We know that there is an issue with misinformation in tobacco harm reduction. There are in many areas of harm reduction. So how do you support adult consumers worldwide in terms of giving them accurate information on the differences in risk linked to each tobacco and nicotine product category? You know, how do you support them through that?
First and foremost, we are trying to inform through our channels, our social media, our website, and through our public campaigns that we are doing. But what we would really like to see is that governments take the initiative and an active approach in actually informing consumers about the safer alternatives. Because this is what would really tip the scales of changing the information and the knowledge in the public. For example, during the pandemic, governments spend hundreds of millions on informing consumers or informing the public that taking the vaccine might have some risk, but it's still vastly safer than not taking the vaccine and then going out and catching COVID. So if governments would have the same approach to this issue, that would have a huge effect. And I mean, it doesn't even have to cost a lot. What if on cigarette packages we would put, for example, nicotine pouches and vapes are much safer alternatives to smoking? This is the audience, the group that we want to target. So this is what we really mainly focus on to make sure that these policymakers listen to this, because that's where the big change can be made. It's through the governments.